Unit 2. You love English, don't you?
ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, હવે આપણે આ કાવ્યનું શ્રવણ કરીશું.
Activity 1.
Blue, blue, the sky is blue, the water in the sea is too. I like blue, don't you? I like blue, don't you? Green, green, the grass is green, leaves on the trees are green. I like green, don't you? I like green, don't you? Red, red, the sun is red when he's getting out of bed. I like red, don't you? I like red, don't you? Yellow, yellow, flowers are yellow, sunflowers standing in a row. I like yellow, don't you? I like yellow, don't you?